got going on here? This lighting is bad, so let me go get some light. I'll be right back. Okay, now we cooking with grease, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but as you can tell, I'm sure by this, nice little wig cap, we got a transformation coming up in today's video. I'm a little tired. It's about 1 in the morning, so I'm a little loopy. The next few weeks are gonna be pretty busy for your girl. The only time I'm gonna have to record is gonna be, super late at night / early in the morning. Oh yeah, my shirt, before anybody tries to come for me, okay? It says anti-mornings, okay? I'm sure y'all just want to get to the transformation, want me to get on with the video, so let's go. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, giving me a chance, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Always happy to have you. Always happy to have you. Today I'm going to be doing a transformation video. I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video. Oh, y'all seeing my real skin. I'm going to turn into my idea of what an Instagram baddie is. To me, when I think of Instagram baddie or like Instagram model, I think of strong eye makeup. I think of either a nude lip or like a very berry red lip. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be going into today. Now, it wouldn't be a video of mine if something didn't go horribly wrong, and something did go wrong with the hair. I ordered some hair, the hair came, mistakes were made. I think this is the second video where you see my forehead in full force. I have what is known as a 5 head. Literally, you can fit all 5 fingers on my forehead. Also, I want to try out these magnetic lashes. I saw these in Walmart and I was like, why not try it on this video? I hate putting on strip lashes. I hate putting on false lashes. I hate it. I hate it. It's one of the, I hate it with a fiery passion. I hate putting on lashes. But I want to try these out. I want to see how they go. Since I am doing Instagram makeup today, I'm going to go in with the classic Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I only use this on special occasions. And today is a special occasion because I want to do that classic Instagram brow. Honestly, that's good enough. I ain't tripping. Ooh, I look ghostly. This is how bright this concealer is. For my eyes, I originally wanted to do a black smoky eye, but that's for another video. But I'm gonna start off with this palette, which I'm convinced I'm like the only person who actually bought this palette. We gotta do the underside the same way we did the top. Oh, that's after foundation. What am I doing? Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation. Would you look at that? Look at that. The bleach stained shirt. Okay. The pajama bottoms. Oh. Most of my videos, I'm in pajama bottoms. Alright, we're gonna go on with my concealer next. With the new Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer. Next is powder. It's dirty because of my foundation. I squeeze out my foundation on here and then go in. I don't like putting it on my hand or anything. Pause. Alright, next we're gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna keep it cute with the blush because I do notice, I don't know if people are really using blush like that anymore. Alright, I'm gonna go finish the eye look. I'm gonna do the under eye. I'm gonna put on liner and mascara, and I'll be back for the wig. I finished everything, and then I was about to go and do mascara, and then I remembered that I wanted to try these little babies out, and we'll see. It's a magnetic lash system. Comes with magnetic lashes and an eyeliner that. So as you can see, I already put on my normal eyeliner, so I'm hoping it will just have to like do well with the eyeliner that I have on. I just want to test them. I want to see how this goes. Let me read the directions. These are supposed to be for 15 wears, and it says 5-minute application. So I got the Faux Mink Wispies, which are these babies right here. Okay, a decent amount of magnets. 4 magnets. Because I've tried magnetic lashes before, and I could not get them to stay in my eyes. this is what the wand looks like. Has a lot of product on there. That you need to apply liner, let it dry, and then apply 2 more coats. So let's see. We'll just go over top of what I already have. I'm gonna go and do the 2 other coats and then come back and try to put them on. Alright, so I just finished putting on the 3rd coat. I don't know if you can see. It's a very glossy finish. The wand is pretty flexible. It dries pretty fast. I don't have any stinging or anything weird going on with my eyes, which is something that I worry about when it comes to like products like these. Let's see if it goes. Okay, I can see it wanting to go on there. Okay, let's see. Okay. So it says it'll work with a thin or thick line, so I don't think that's the issue. I put down 3 separate coats, so that shouldn't be the issue. Let's go with this one. Let's try this one. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it trying to stay. It just... Okay, this one went on a little better. Let me adjust that. What are we thinking? It's... let me get closer. So it's sticking on there, and it doesn't feel too heavy like other magnetic lashes I've tried. Maybe I gotta work with these a little more. And it might also be like, because I did already put mascara on and then I went over it with the magnetic liner, so maybe that's messing with it. This one is just not wanting to stick. Let's see if I can get in there and like blend them together. Honestly, just the fact that I was able to get it on and get it sticking onto my eye is a huge a huge step up from all the other magnetic lashes I've tried. It seems to be this. Okay, it's sticking a lot better. Maybe I just had a... Okay, it's sticking a lot better. Let me go ahead and put mascara on them. I'm actually really digging them. I think maybe it's just not meshing well with my mascara that I already had put down. I want to do another video with this just to see how it performs by itself, the liner by itself. That's my fault. I did forget that I was going to try this out. So we're going to go ahead with the wig portion. I will be right back. Y'all, mistakes were made, and so go ahead and get your giggles out. Turn down the light so it's not so intense, and so you can see like, okay, so on there it looks a lot better than it does in real life. In real life, this is blonde. I thought I had ordered a dark brown wig. I don't look good in light colors. I don't. It washes me out. It makes me look sickly like it's doing right now. Why would I do this to myself? I thought I had ordered a dark brown wig, number one. And number two, I didn't know it was going to be this long, y'all. I don't know how to do this. It's driving me insane. It keeps getting in my face. I'm losing my mind. I thought I ordered a dark brown wig. And when I received it, I was highly upset. And I was about to email Amazon, and I was going to be like, yo, you guys sent me the wrong wig color. This is ridiculous. Because this is the second time like they've messed up on an order of mine within the past couple of months. So I was just like, what is going on with y'all? But I was like, you know what, before I do that, let me do my due diligence and make sure it wasn't a mistake on my part. It was a mistake on my part. I thought I had clicked the dark brown, but I had somehow clicked the light brown option, and that's what was sent to me. But like, does this look like light brown to you? If anything, this is like dark blonde. If anything, this is like, I don't know what this color is. If anything, this is like a dishwater blonde. Light brown, I can make it work. This, I can't. This is driving me insane. If I don't move, it can't get in my face. The reason why I got this hair is because I wanted to do the complete Instagram look with the long flowing hair and like the dramatic poses and all this. And it just seemed like I needed a wig to fit that description. And I was also hoping for it to be something that I can wear for everyday use, you know, if I feel like I just want to, you know, feel a little extra bougie, a little special, you know, maybe for a night out on the club in the town. What am I supposed to do with this? I showed my sister and she said I look like I tried to go blonde, but it didn't work out. But other than that, like the hair itself is pretty nice, so like I'm not too mad at it. It's good quality. It was just, I messed up, it's my fault, but it's good quality. I can't even lie, if it wasn't for the color, I would be digging it real hard. I'm sure you can all see that it's washing me out. It's making me look sickly. In real life, it's not that much better either. I'm sure you're thinking, oh, it's just the light. No, it's me. But yeah, this was my Instagram look. I even changed into like a little, you know, cute little dress. Am I gonna stand up? No, because I'm wearing pajama bottoms. But does it or does it not fit the IG aesthetic, you know? I feel like this was kind of a letdown. I'm sorry, y'all. I was so hype about it, but now I'm just like, eh. I'm gonna be posting pics on my Instagram to really show like what this looks like. I hope this was at least like entertaining and interesting and fun. It wouldn't be a video of mine if I didn't have some kind of fail, right? So, yay, consistency. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. I truly do appreciate it. Give me a like, give me the thumbs up, comment down below, share it out to people, give them a nice good laugh, give them somebody to laugh at. I spent an hour of my time doing this. Go ahead and subscribe for more shenanigans. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Why am I like this? This video screams big yikes energy. Big yikes energy.